Hey D, what is it? Oh, I tell me D has just got a lot of anger issues. I know, when I started, every dude color blue was different letter and every taste. I started to get outraged. Now I started to feel bad. So I gotta make a change. Okay, also when paper BFT comes in. I know it's coming in. Welcome back to the elimination area. Yo guys lost last time, so two of you get a yo-yo cake, and one contestant is gonna be out of the show. We got 20 votes. It was less than last time.
Don't let it happen again.
Also, we're having a large crowd watching us today. Anyways, T-Tex is safe for 3 votes. Now it's down to DNS. Oh my goodness, I don't want to be eliminated. Mama, did I do a no-no again? The last person safe is D. Yes! And S is eliminated for 9 votes. Before I go, can I say my last words like the third challenge is to... Oh no! It's a cat! It's keep getting well for ages! Well, can we keep it as a pet? Also, I made 5 clones of them.
Meow.
Oh, hey, little kitty. Hey, kitty. It's time to you to die. Hey, big blue kid. I got you this yawn. My little pony! My little pony! Ah! Well then, round the circle is well. Okay, so T-Tex and D is safe, and O-Tex, K, and I is up for elimination. Vote in the link in the description, but not in the comment. But if you vote in the comments, I'll eat your toes. Voting is, I don't remember at all.